Alright friends, so our next problem is, oops, I need that back, 500 times 76. So let's go ahead and multiply that out. We know we start by, in our ones digit on the bottom, so 6 times 0 is 0. We know anything times 0. If I have 0 groups of 6, I'm not going to have anything. So 6 times, or any number times 0 is going to give us 0. 6 times 0 again gives us 0. And then 6 times 5. If you don't know, count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And do we need to regroup that 3 in our 30? No, we do not, because we don't have any more digits in our top number. So now I finished with my bottom ones digit. And before I move on to that bottom tens digit, I'm going to add my magic 0. Okay? So now we're going to multiply by 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. And 7 times 5. Well, we just said 5 times 6 is 30. So 5 times 7 must be 35. Okay? And after we get our partial products, we're going to go ahead and add those numbers up. So I'm going to write my answer below the line because I have some room this time. So 0 plus 0 is going to give me 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is going to give me 8. And 3 plus nothing is going to give me 3. Move over 3 digits, put in your comma. Your answer for this problem should be 38,000.